Right now at 5:30, there is worry and concern from parents of Camden County students over a lack of policy about masks and reporting COVID-19 cases in schools. The Camden School District says they do not have a policy in place for staff to report if they've been exposed to the coronavirus.
Now, Camden parents are worried that they won't be notified if their child has been exposed, and they say they have a right to know. Our News4JAX reporters are covering COVID-19 cases and how they're being handled in the various school districts since classes have begun. News4JAX reporter Marilyn Parker has been following this story, joining us live from St. Mary's Middle School. Marilyn, you spoke with a parent who planned to enroll her child there.
Yes, but she took her son out of this school district when she learned they wouldn't be putting out information on COVID-19 positive cases. I went over to the school board today to try to get some answers, and they gave me this letter that basically says there is no policy and they want staff to report any exposures to the principal, who will then tell the district, but it doesn't say if or when they will notify the community of positive cases. Chris Jackson says her son was going to attend St. Mary's Middle School in Camden County, but the district's reopening plan changed her mind. What about the plan scared you, or why did you make that decision?
Well, number one, the no mask requirement at the beginning of the school year, I thought was very dangerous.
The district later revised its mask policy, making it a requirement, but didn't say if it was connected to positive cases. Jackson sent me emails she received from the school system stating students whose doctors say classroom learning is not recommended can apply for online learning. On July 15th, the school district sent another email saying they'll provide both in-person and virtual learning options for families who may not be ready for kids to return to school. Also concerning for Jackson was when she says the district announced they wouldn't tell parents about positive cases in the schools. I went to go get answers from the school board Tuesday.
I'm Marilyn. I'm a reporter with News4JAX. I just wanted to know, is the deputy superintendent or the superintendent in?
Regarding our information on COVID?
Yes.
Okay, that's what they're giving me to give to the reporters who come.
Okay, so are we not allowed to see them?
I'm never not giving interviews right now.
This is the paper they gave me, which I also got in an email Monday. It says they don't have a policy telling staff not to report COVID-19 exposure and that they should tell their principal. But it doesn't answer why the district won't report positive cases to the community.
I think this school district likes when things are rosy and perfect. And the fact that they can't control this scares them.
And outside of me going to the district today, I have emailed them multiple times, but they declined to comment. So as of right now, we still don't know if there are cases, how many there could be, and at which schools. We're live in Camden County. Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.
Well, Marilyn, what about that article in the New York Times that said that the deputy superintendent told staff who test positive not to notify any staff members or parents of their students?
Yes, and we actually got a copy of that email, and it also says staff who test positive are only to report to their principals. It goes on to say everyone who needs to know if they've been exposed will be notified by the Department of Health through their contact tracing. You can actually go and read that email right now on news4jax.com.